this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to verify your Facebook page and get that official blue checkmark next to your name. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and tap the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Next, tap the drop-down arrow at the top right and switch to the page you want to verify. Once you're on that page, tap the profile icon again at the bottom right. Then select See Your Page to open the full page view. From here, tap the three dots next to the Advertise button. This will open the More Options menu. Scroll down and tap on Meta Verified. This will bring up the option to join the waitlist for verification. Before you do, tap See All Requirements to make sure you qualify. Here's what you'll need. Be 18 or older. Live in a country where Meta Verified is available. Have full control of the page. Have not exceeded the allowed number of verification attempts. If you meet all of these criteria, simply tap Join the Waitlist at the bottom, and you're all set to be considered for verification. That's it. Your page is now on track to getting verified. If you found this helpful, drop a comment with any questions and tell me what tutorial you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss my next quick tech tip.